4. It's
86.
No, 28.
86.
No.
20.
More no.
24.
Yes. What's good, YouTube? It's Almond with the sauce, and in today's video we got a summer math challenge for y'all. I got two contestants with me, contestant number 1 and contestant number 2. And the way it works is simple. We got a whiteboard right here. I'm gonna split it down the middle. I'm gonna give them both a math question, and the first person to get it right, we got a whole bunch of water balloons over here, and we're gonna have war. So let's get into it. Ready for your first question?
Yes.
Okay, now the question is, some number, we don't know what that number is, plus 1 is 72. What is that number?
71.
You got it. You don't get to run after him, you gotta throw it.
Look, I can't run after him.
No, you're supposed to throw it.
Well, what is this?
Your problem is, you probably won't need the marker for this one. The problem is, 70, solve for x, all right? 75 plus x equals 78.
3.
Grab it. It's the, how are these balloons not popping? This bucket of balloons weighs 23 pounds. Okay? This one weighs 12 pounds. 23 pounds, 12 pounds. How much do they weigh together?
23 and 12. 35.
Run.
Go.
Come on!
Wait for me.
Oh my god!
26.
26 centimeters.
26.
Y'all remember what perimeter means, right?
Outside.
All the total length outside of the shape. Remember that? It has to find the third side.
Yes.
Figure it out.
Wait. 8.
You made these wonderful. You better throw it hard.
Bruh.
Freezing night the front.
Where's my pen? Where's
Oh,
mine?
here.
Jonathan, forget it. You know how to forget easily. Forget it. It's
86.
No, 28.
86.
No.
20.
More no.
24.
Yes.
What?
Wait. Whoa.
I'm telling you what. Santa Claus is coming. So area equals 40. 5.
Go.
Understand.
He needs some milk.
That's what you get for teaching us math.
Whoa. Kid.
Ungratefulness. Brother.
Oh, wow.
Josh, and this time not pop the balloon.
This man had a hidden oxygen.
JC's gonna give us a math problem. This times h, which is the height, which is 3. If we get it right, we get to put a good ingredient in the blender. But if it's bad, we get to put a bad ingredient in the blender. Then, once all the ingredients are in the blender for that one person, we're gonna blend it up, and then they're gonna wait for the other person to put theirs in. Then, once both of them are blended, we're gonna drink it, and whoever finishes theirs first is the winner.
It's really bad.